Natawa na lang si Lebron matapos malaman ng bagay na ito tungkol sa head coach ng Utah Jazz, Christian Wood. Sinabing dapat pasok daw sa MVP race si Lebron James. Pero bago yan, Tyrese Haliburton, pinuri ng former NBA player na si Kevin Garnett. Pang MVP na daw ang ginagawang laro ngayong season. Maganda nga pong katayuan ng team ng Indiana Pacers ngayon na nakaupo sa 6th spot ng East standings at may record na 8-5. Malaking dahilan nga po nito ay dahil sa solid na ginagawang laro ni Haliburton na monster game ang ginawa kanina laban sa Hawks kung saan nakuha nila ang panalo at nagtala nga po si Haliburton ng 37 points, 26 points dito ay binaon niya noong third quarter na franchise high, 5 rebounds at 16 assists na may kasama pang 3 steals. Kaya naman napareact nga pong former NBA champion na si Kevin Garnett sa laro ni Haliburton. Ayon kay KG, 100% dapat daw makasama sa usaping MVP si Tyrese Haliburton. Ngayong season, nag-average nga po ng 24.7 points, 4.1 rebounds at 12 assists per game si Tyrese Haliburton. Samantalang Lebron natawa na lang matapos malaman ng bagay na ito sa Utah Jazz head coach. Solid game na naman nga po ang naging laro kanina ni Lebron James na kung saan nakagawa ito ng 17 points, 7 rebounds at 9 assists na may 60% shooting sa field playing 24 minutes only. Historic night na naman nga po para kay LBJ na after magawa ang una niyang tres kanina. Dalawang record nga po ang kanyang nagawa. Una, na hit na nito ang kanyang 39k career points, first ever sa history ng NBA at abante din siya sa all-time 3-point made list na ngayon ay pang-7 na. At after ng game sa post-game interview ni Lebron, hagulat nga po ang all-time scoring leader nang malaman na mas matanda pa siya sa head coach ng Utah Jazz na si Will Hardy na 35 pa lang. Natawa na nga lang po si LBJ at napasabing that's crazy.
Weird being older than the head coach? I'm older than who? The Utah head coach? I'm older than the head coach? Oh, wow. I just had to You got me on that. I dropped that in there. No. That's crazy.
Ayon naman sa isang teammate ni Lebron na si Christian Wood, dapat nasa MVP race daw ang 4 times MVP dahil napaka-phenomenal daw nito maglaro. Tara at ating pakinggan na naging pahayag ni si Wood para kay The King, mga brother.
Well, man, I can't really put into words his, for me getting here, him waking up in the mornings, the way he carries himself, on the court, off the court, how he takes care of his body, his preparation before every game. It's incredible to do what he does at 38 and still score, rebound, assist, and I think, he should be in the MVP race because he's 38 years old. What person do you know at 38 has been doing what he does? And, today, 39,000 points it's incredible.
Goes back to LeBron, back to AD, slam dunk.
Twitch. Oh, my goodness. Come on, Collins. Come on, John.